We are on a bench tour now, and I'm showing you the 3D printers to share with you how to set up this next generation airbrush spray booth with water curtain feature. Welcome to ModernHackers scale modeling channel. You can find on YouTube if you subscribe, additionally on Facebook, Instagram, and the web page. Hello folks, after a small channel silence, you can see in the today episode a brand new hobby craft space showcasing around the equipment, the layout, the new water curtain spray booth, also the 3D printers. Join me in this video. New builds are coming. Folks, trust me. Me and also the courier service, we could not believe that this airbrush booth is so huge, enormous. And this is the packaging that I have received. This is the HS E600 spray booth with water curtain spray design that we're going to review today. Let's start with the instruction manual before we assemble this. It's going from a power point of view at each countries. We'll have the main unit and the accessories, air hose, water pump, turntable, LEDs. Hopefully these are on the table, as you can see. And we'll assemble and go one by one. So looks to me the first power switch of the water pump needs to be connected. Water level mark indicator. Water should be injected before plug the power switch off water pump. That's an important step. Call out. We can assemble, but we will put water before start it. This is the water pump. Something inside. This open and close. Watts, and it has a special connector, and this special connector is going to the other side. I'll show you. Like the US ones. Small internal connector, so nothing to do, and looks to me there are no polarities on side, so you can do whatever you want. So, you can connect the hose. Inside the hose we have another power LED. put temporary there, right? Put also this temporary. So from a salt testing point of view, it should go out on the window. We will connect the hose to the pump. We have put this guy behind the hose. We put this straight on the top. Additional parts inside. You can set the legs with these adjustment screws, these ones, so you can set position, screw left and right. Pull up the straight covers. It's building up like that. Safety packaging elements here. So place the water curtain to its place. We have to go to the edges. Very slowly. To me it's straightforward where it's going. That way. Then assemble back. Itt elvileg. Ugye? fitting. And this one with some wiggle left. Let me just do a smoke test. Lighting. Perfect. Beautiful. Everything is visible. Okay. And enable the airflow. Looks working pretty well. You need to wait a few seconds before it triggers up, because this rotational. Just to reach the maximum level, you will need to fill with roughly 8 or 10 liters of water this tank. So you can see on the indicator on the right. Recommending also to check the leveling of your table before you fully assemble it, to have a proper flow of water in the curtain. You have to plug the pump. The fitting is proper. You can arrange the cable at the back, both the electrical and both the pump cables, not in the left side, just to be careful. Attach the clips. First you check the leveling to have a proper flow and curtain of water. In case of minor adjustments, you can set the legs, and there are multiple places, so you have 6 adjustment options. But if you have a major one, it's not feasible, and you need to set the table size. This by the flexible hose you can hang out on a window, for example. Let's switch on the light. Then, without airflow, we enable the water flow. Let's see. So now we're going to some water curtain engineering. If you just enable the water, and if you see the curtain is not full, you just touch it, and here you go. Now you have a full curtain. Water. Part of my tooling assembly, I have realized that one 3D printer still in box, hasn't been opened. It's an unopened one inside, so it's a good journey to show you what is inside of an M5 Anycubic. It's one older model, but it's crazy effective and it's a crazy stable printer. So still worth to have it compared to auto leveling ones. So this M5 is a manual leveling one of the nicest 12K printers. Before the auto leveling feature came with the M5 Pro and M5S series. Even it's a 12K, worth to have it because it's doing crazy refined and crazy fine prints. I like this printer. So you have this top packaging. Within you have the housing that you need to get out. You have a foil on that. On the top you have this top safety and also the base plate. The base plate has cover. You need to be careful with the base plate. Inside you have the plate. Also the leveling is this main plate and main bed has also a safety foil. It's enough just to remove before the print. You have a toolbox including the adapters. You get some masks, some screwdrivers to it, and also some equipment for the display foil and display cover. The display foil should be one side of it next to the user manual that you need to put to the main display. In the main display there is always a factory one. You can judge whether you can use it or not. Most of the cases you cannot use. Just to show you what is inside. So you have this factory one, and sometimes it's difficult to remove this factory sticker. So anyway, and also there are bubbles underneath. So anyway, we will need to remove this factory screen protector, and we will give a new foil that was in the package. Also, these ones we will also remove. You don't need it for transportation, but for the use it's not happening. Remove from the plate. Checking the adapters. Depends on which country you're ordering. Only the power inlet will be changed. Adapter operates at input side between 100 and 240 volts, and output is 24 volts. So you can use either Europe, either APAC, either Americans. No issues. We have also this one. Still just for testing. I keep it with this original foil. What I will do now is to make a dry run. A small tool for resin adjustment. Two important screws you should not forget about. They are inside, and they are attaching the base bed. As you need to keep screw down and put up the main plate. Just enable now. You go to the tools, move Z, select 5 centimeters, go up. We attach the plate. Removing the cover from it. The next step is mechanically working, and for example, if you do a lamp test, it's working, the exposure also. So ready to put up the real display cover foil, the screen protector. So that will be the next step that you have to do. For this one, You need to turn to tools and move up the position as much as you can. And you should go to a clean place where there is no dust, so I'm not doing in the garage, I'm doing internally. The screen protector is applied. Now I assemble to the final shape. I remove also the protector from the base plate, the bottom plate. Adjusting the screws. Putting back the main plate. The outer cover. Electricity ready to use, ready to go. Here you go. We are on a bench tour now, and I'm showing you the 3D printers. These are resin ones, 12K ones, and also the Cure machine. Even they are not the latest and greatest, but they are manual leveling ones, so which means the error ratio of making something wrong is much lower than the auto leveling ones. So I love these M5 Anycubic ones. Just a quick round, my kids. Classic FDM printers. Let me show you folks the scale modeling studio. On the right side you will see the assembly area, building, gluing, polishing, post work. On the left side you can see the painting area, spray booth, paints, drying machine, compressor, a big stash of models to build. I hope folks you enjoyed this quick overview. You can find on YouTube if you subscribe, additionally on Facebook, Instagram, and the web page.